Welcome to Tech Tips by Adaptive. My name is Brian Olson, and the subject today is clash and sectioning. Clash and sectioning icons can be found in the DMU Spatial Analysis workbench, or they can be found in the Assembly Design workbench, depending on your licensing. We're going to start with our clash detection, which is an interference analysis tool. When we run the interference analysis, we get a list of contacts and clashes that occur inside this assembly. By filtering on just the clashes, we can evaluate one by one and go through and do a repair. We're going to focus on the very first one, which is an interference between the ring and the piston itself. Even if we were to zoom in on this picture, it would be very tough to tell what is actually occurring between the ring and the piston, besides the fact that the interference is in a downward direction. So let's use another tool to help us evaluate. This tool is going to be our sectioning tool. The sectioning tool is a tool where side-by-side windows show us the cut and the plane that's doing the cut. This plane can be modified by just pulling and pushing. All sorts of positioning tools looking perpendicular to the X, Y, and Z axes. But the one that we're really interested in is the XY. So we're going to drop this back down to the being perpendicular to it and zoom in and see what is occurring through the rings and the piston. We look and see that we have three rings. All the rings are the same since they were the same part in the assembly. And we have three slots. All three slots are designed differently. So now we have a game plan. We have a game plan that we need to analyze the actual ring to determine that if it was designed correctly, and then to come up with the proper dimensions of the slot. So in a matter of just a couple minutes, we can use the interference tool to find a handful of clashes, focus in on one clash, use the sectioning tool to identify what is really occurring in the clash, and develop a game plan. Hope these tools can be used to you, and thank you for joining us at Tech Tips by Adaptive.